Good afternoon, y'all. Just wanted to jump on here real quick. Came to Dave's house and looked at his yard. And, y'all tell me if I'm right or wrong, but he just had some aeration done. I'm going to show y'all in a second. He just had some aeration done. And I told him that I wouldn't cut it. And I think I'm right. With all my years of experience, it's still 50-some degrees, and we still need to let this grass grow a little bit. They did a good job on the aeration, and we got new growth in certain spots. Especially on this hill, it was very difficult for the grass to grow. He's been out here watering it, but as y'all can see, he got a lot of new growth. And he wanted to cut it, but I told him, let's wait a week or so. It's not that cold yet. It is cold and it might frost or whatever, but they did do an aeration. I think they did a pretty decent job. And over here, still a little bare or whatever, so the seed ain't really take over here. But I've been over here trimming this crepe myrtle down and trimmed his little oak tree he got right here. I just hit the bottom of that and knocked some of those limbs growing down the bottom. That'll help it when spring hit. It'll help it. But anyway, I'm out here, y'all, actually working. Just wanted to show y'all real quick. But yeah, I told him, I said, no, let's not cut the grass. Let's just do the little trimming. I'm happy to be working and stuff, but it is kind of cold out here. But like I said, I'm gonna get this little rake to help me get some of this stuff up over here. Y'all stay tuned for the finished product when I get finished. I think I'm gonna take a break real quick.